Power BI community. I am stuck on this topic. So I thought I'd show you a video, hopefully get some feedback. I have a tooltip for my quarter one map called Custom Tips Q1. In this tooltip, I have a list of chemicals, facility types, and concentrations, such that when I hover over one facility, which is represented by the pie charts, and there's a pie chart because each facility has multiple chemicals, so the chemicals are displayed as wedges of the pie. Unfortunately, that's causing only one item to appear per wedge per table or per pie chart. I was wondering if there's a way to get the full list to show up in the tooltip. Because these wedges get really small, and then in order to find out the concentration of a particular chemical, you have to slightly move your mouse from PFOA to PFSAs, and then that's how you find out the concentration of your chemical, but it's not very user-friendly. So if we could get the full list that we see here on the tooltip to appear, that would be great. I just have no idea how to do that. And to back up, I am using a map visual and a filter for all of my chemicals. This really should be called chemical, not a brief. And the legend displays the 18 chemicals as 18 different colors.